The Jubilee Year of Hope will officially come to a close around the world later this month. Here in the Diocese of Greensburg, Bishop Larry J. Kulik will preside at the solemn closing Mass on December 28th at 11 a.m. at Blessed Sacrament Cathedral. Bishop Kulik reflects on the Jubilee year and shares a preview of what's ahead in 2026.
Our former Holy Father, Pope Francis, in recognizing 2025 as an ordinary Jubilee year, called all of us to ponder on the virtue of hope and to take this special Jubilee year as an opportunity as disciples of Christ to not only live the hope that we see, know, and believe comes through Jesus Christ, but also to be agents, as Pope Francis would say, missionaries of hope. And we were called to take that hope into the world, into the workplace, into our everyday life experience. Pope Leo XIV has continued that theme in this Jubilee year. And he has reminded all of us that if we are to be instruments of God's love and hope in the world, we must do all that we can to serve, especially those who are the poorest among us, those who are not only physically or financially impoverished, but I think more than ever, those who are impoverished spiritually, to bring that gift of hope through faith to them. We're really excited about the year ahead. We've been very blessed here in the Diocese of Greensburg to have 2 consecutive years of significance. As the Jubilee Year of Hope concludes at the end of December on the Feast of the Holy Family, we will be moving into the new chronological year of 2026, which will mark the 75th or Diamond Jubilee of the establishment of the Diocese of Greensburg. It is a wonderful opportunity for us here in the diocese, not just to mark a historical milestone, but I believe by observing this anniversary to really re-engage and reinvigorate the faithful of the 4 counties of the diocese. And so my hope is that throughout this Jubilee year, we're going to have opportunities first and foremost for worship. Wonderful celebrations of the Eucharist around key milestone historical markers like the establishment of the diocese on March 10th, the Feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, our patroness, the dedication of the cathedral on October 7th, but also devotional activities and pilgrimages, not only to some of our historic churches in the diocese, but to the National Shrine. We're also going to be looking at having some wonderful opportunities for socialization, of us coming together in friendship and fellowship as members not only of 78 parishes, but as the Diocese of Greensburg. So I think this wonderful opportunity to worship, to pray, to grow spiritually, to learn, to help to be formed, and to come together, and to be good stewards will all be a wonderful part that I think, like, so to speak, each of the facets of a diamond will shine brightly in this Jubilee year.
You're invited to take part in many spiritual and fellowship events planned for the 75th anniversary year. Learn more about our diocese Diamond Jubilee celebrations in the Catholic Accent magazine and online at theaccentonline.org.